just pulled up. I'm gonna go across the street to my drone dealer and pick up the new drone. Oh yeah, baby. Alright, the meeting with the drone dealer is complete. And might I say, it went swimmingly well. We now officially own a drone, and it is awesome.
Heavy the water as I sink below. Down, down, deep down. Down, deep down. Down, down, deep down. I want to be mine.
Just left happy hour with Greg and Laurel. Had some cider or cidre, as some people call it, heading home on this quite lovely evening. Yes.
I've been pretending all my shots are blown. Cover my heart up, never let it show. I'm shaking it off to find a higher low. So heavy the water, oh, so heavy the water falling down, down, deep down. Down, deep down, 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 deep down.
Okay, so just stopped by the Starbucks for a, wait for it, grande, non-fat, blueberry, strawberry smoothie, and they were playing Disney music. OMG, how awesome is that? Okay, now into the office.
Take me higher and higher. I want you to be my life wire, my life wire. So hold me when I fall away.
Hello viewers, it is Friday. This week I am breaking my schedule because I am still trying to get this vlog thing figured out and how it fits into my schedule. And to put out a phenomenal product, I am doing a Wednesday, Friday, and then a Saturday, Sunday vlog. The reason being is yesterday, Thursday, was incredibly busy and I was not able to vlog enough to put out a good enough vlog. I apologize greatly, but I want to put out the best possible product. Off we go. Prepare for drone footage today.
Be my life wire, my life wire. Won't you be my life
Yeah, baby. This is drone flying weather. Prepare for the maiden voyage.
Okay, it's 3:17 a.m. You're tuned in with your main man, Tommy Englethorpe. This next song's gonna keep you warm on a cold, cold night. So if you don't got a lover, just close your eyes and listen to Hum.
Like a rabbit in headlights, they're stung by all your charm, and I feel so damn lucky to have you on my arm. And I can't help but wonder how we ended up.
So I'm back here in the yard, or the garden, as people in Great Britain would call it, or England. I prefer garden. I think that's like more useful of a word. This was like the helicopter pad for the maiden voyage of the drone. I'll be honest, most of the drone footage today was me figuring out what the hell I was doing.
You can keep me warm on a cold night, warm on a cold, cold night. I wanna treat you something special, give you what you deserve.
It's time to go back to Portland. Gotta get back to the city.
I wanna take you to paradise,
know, I want to just talk briefly today about striving towards ultimately being really happy in life and having no regrets. And I found this quote that I think really helps demonstrate running towards that. I attempt an arduous task, but there is no worth in that which is not a difficult achievement. You know, things that do not come easy, they're really worth it. You never want to have any regrets in life. You know, when you turn age 80 and 90, and people speak about this when they turn those ages. People who have regrets, they tell people that are younger, always, if you run away from something, go back towards it. You never want to have any regrets in life. Live life to the fullest. The bottom line is, you know, you should always run towards those difficult tasks, those ones that scare you, because ultimately they're gonna lead to no regrets. They're gonna lead to true happiness. I think the American dream really nowadays is just true happiness, and to be able to live the life that you want. And when you reach your elder ages, you can say, you know what, I lived life to the fullest, and I ran towards all those difficult tasks, and I found happiness. We're going and meeting Mr. Girding for some Mexican food next door.
Just one thing. Girl, you could have anyone.
You know, you really can't argue with a couple lovely fermented beverages on the balcony in some warm weather.
So thanks for making me your number one. You can keep me warm all night.
Right over there, where I just had dinner. So, I'm kind of feeling a popsicle. And that means I get to go to the Safeway on the east side, which means I get to drive over the Hawthorne Bridge, which is the most awesomeness bridge in Portland. Got the goods.